Here is a conversation about daily routine. Let's have this conversation together. I will say the blue lines and you will say the green lines. Let's begin. Hi, what's your daily routine like? I wake up at 7. What do you do after you wake up? I do the same. After breakfast, I get ready for school. Do you walk to school or take a bus? I walk. It's close to my house. What do you do after school? I do my homework too, but then I usually read books or watch TV. Do you help with any chores at home? Yes, I help my mom in the kitchen. I like to mix ingredients when she cooks. What time do you have dinner? I spend some time with my family. We talk about our day, then I prepare my school bag for the next day. Around 9:30. What about you? I like reading books before bed. It helps me relax. What about you? That sounds fun. Talking about our daily routine is interesting. Great idea. See you tomorrow. Could you follow the conversation? If not, let's start from the beginning again. If you could, let's proceed to the next video.